Hello Best Fiends fans! I am Stephanie and today I'll be showing you how to sculpt Rascal, a rabbit. You will need some aluminium foil, wire, polymer clay and basic sculpting tools. We are starting to make the ears. For that, take some wire. I am using black artistic wire, but any wire will do as you won't see it at the end. Cut two pieces of about 3.5 centimeters. Roll out a lavender-colored clay and fold around the wire. Cut the shape into a long and thin triangle. Smooth the edges all around with your finger. Then place your finger in the center of each ear and shape it. Repeat the exact steps for the other ear. Pre-bake the ears for about 20 minutes following the recommended temperature of the manufacturer. In the meantime, start on Rascal's body. Take a small piece of aluminum foil and shape it into a regular and tight ball. Roll out the same lavender-colored clay and wrap around the ball. You will need to cut out excess clay and smooth everything out with your fingers. Always be very careful when using blades. Shape Rascal paws by rolling out some clay into an 8 mm thick snake. Cut out two identical pieces. Round up one edge of each paw and flatten down the other end. Repeat on the other paw. Place Rascal's body on top of the paws and press down. Draw two lines on each paw with a tool. Now we are going to make his hand-like paws. Roll out a snake of clay of about 6 mm and cut two identical pieces. Like for the feet, round up one side and flatten down the other. Draw two lines on each paw. Place the paws on each side of Rascal's body. Press a ball-ended tool into the head to create the eye sockets. Shape two small white balls for the eyes and press them into the sockets. For the muzzle, start with a ball of lavender clay. Pinch one side and roll it into a cone shape. Place beneath the eyes and smooth down the clay with your fingers and a metallic embossing tool. Draw a line for a smile. Cut 6 pieces of plastic-coated beading wire of about 2 centimeters. Dip each wire into liquid polymer clay and push on each side of the muzzle. For the teeth, roll out some white clay. Cut out a U shape. Draw a line in the center. Then place just beneath the previously shaped muzzle. For the tail, form a white ball of clay and press onto Rascal's back. Then randomly push a rounded metallic tool to give it some texture. For the eyebrows, roll out a thin snake of black clay. Cut 2 identical pieces. Smooth down all the edges. Give each eyebrow a slight bend and place it over each eye. Now take your baked and cooled off ears. Dip them into some liquid polymer clay and push them in the top of Rascal's head. Bake according to the manufacturer's recommendation for about 30 minutes. After baking and cooling off, add a black dot of acrylic paint on each eye. Wait to dry and then add a very small dot of white onto the black pupil. Mix a beige colored paint with white and ochre. Paint the belly just under the muscle with this color. Then paint the insides of each ear. Also add beige on the tip of the paws. And finally color the tail in beige as well. The last step is the nose. Mix a very light pink with white and pink or red. Then add a dot of pink on Rascal's nose. And you are done! You can now varnish your sculpture to protect it. Thank you so much for watching. For more Best Fiends tutorials, subscribe to the Best Fiends YouTube channel and let me know in the comments what kind of do-it-yourself you'd like to see next. To see more of my videos, check out my YouTube page at Petit Plat FR. Bye!